Ladies and gentlemen, Chase on Two Wheels here to rejoice in a video that I've wanted to make for a long freaking time. I'm talking 2.5 year long time. You guys see these beautiful motorcycles behind me? Those are all of our Wreck Bike Rebuild Garage motorcycles for Season 5. It has taken us over 2.5 years. We're not going to go into all the details of that. You guys can watch the million videos we made on them. The whole point of this video, it's real short. I'm not going to waste your time. You see the red one? Some lucky SOB has already won that. You see this like teal? Do you call it teal?
Fish tank blue.
Fish tank, actually technically correct. You guys see this fish tank blue one? It's up for grabs. You guys see this black and magnesium one? It's up for grabs. So, here's the whole point of this video. On December 29th, on the Chase on Two Wheels YouTube channel, there will be a live show where we are announcing the winners of these motorcycles. If you guys don't know, WBRgarage.com is our website. We build motorcycles like that, like that, like that, and what that one will... Season 6, never mind. We build motorcycles like this, and because of the people that support our website, we are able to just give them away like Robin Hood. Not like Robin Hood. Not like... Santa Claus. Not Robin Hood, Santa Claus. The reason for making this video is to let you guys know a couple things. One, if you are a supporter, awesome. Make sure to tune in and be checking your emails, that whatever email you used over at WBRgarage.com, that is the email we will be emailing you to let you know if you won the motorcycle or not. It is, if you're watching this video, it is super important to check your email, check your spam folder, look for it. If you are not a member yet, you have 48 hours. Bo, are you able to put a time? 48 hours? Right there. Okay. You guys have 48 hours. $5 has never been so important to you. $5 wins you that motorcycle or that motorcycle.
For that 48 hours, you will also get 2 times entries.
2 times?
Holy crap!
Holy crap! Does that mean if they spend $5, they get 10 entries to win?
That's how math works.
Math! Seriously, guys, you got 48 hours. If you're on the fence about winning one of these motorcycles, if you don't need one, just chunk a $5 in and win a bike for your friend. That's friendship.
Now you can be Santa Claus.
Now you can be Santa Claus. But yeah, guys, it is finally the end of this season. I am so excited. We are ending the year with a bang. I cannot wait. If you guys are not familiar, the 300 here is our street tracker. We've got this fat boy 19-inch on the front and the rear. The beautiful magnesium powder-coated frame. Very cool. For the 1000, we have our Cafe Fighter. A mixture of a Cafe Racer and a Street Fighter. It is... The 1000 is my heart. I want it as my own, but I'd probably kill myself if I owned it. So luckily I get to give that away to somebody. Finally, we have this gorgeous CBR 600 that is ready for the track. We built this motorcycle so that you can tape these up, take this off, and you are ready for a freaking track day. We also want to make sure you don't ever lose your motorcycle. Every bike looks totally different. Like, they are nothing the same. I think it's kind of cool, and I cannot wait to give them away to one of you guys. So, that's it, guys. That's all the stuff. If you guys want to see some other videos, we got some build finale videos showing each of the motorcycles. We have full build time-lapse videos that's only 10 minutes. You guys can see where they started, where they ended. We actually compressed the entire build into 10 minutes. They're pretty cool videos. We'll put links for them in the description.
Where can they go to win these bikes?
WBRgarage.com is where you go to support these and win.
And then how can you find out if you won?
Your email. Check
where
your
are
email.
we announcing it?
On the live show on the Chase on Two Wheels channel at 4:30 Eastern Standard Time.
December 29th.
On December 29th. Well, it'll be kind of, it won't be a Christmas surprise, but it'll be like a 20, wow, what a way to cap off the year. You're over here thinking to yourself, man, 2022 sucked. And then you get an email, you get one email and you're like, hey, I'm going to show up and give you a motorcycle. That would be a pretty good way to cap out the year, no lie. All right, guys, I'm Chaseontwowheels. Go check out WBRgarage.com. If you would like to win a motorcycle you can support for as little as $5, you get 10 entries for the rest of the year, aka 48 hours. We will see you guys on Thursday for a very exciting live show. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, and I'm going to delete it after the live show. So watch it while you can. Okay, bye. This is us at the end of just a tough year.
Done. Take that.